I prepared this breakfast with just one apple. Let's start our recipe by cutting one apple into slices. You guys, this recipe is very delicious and easy to prepare. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Now, using a bottle lid, remove the seeds from every slice. In a pan, add butter and spread it across the surface. Then add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can send you a special hug. We'd love to know. Put the pan aside. Then, in a bowl, add 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of sugar, half a cup of oil, 1 cup of milk, and mix well. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below. I love breakfast. Add 1 cup of flour and mix until smooth. Finally, add in our dough 1 tablespoon of baking powder and mix lightly. This cake is amazing, super quick to prepare, and very soft. You won't regret it. Put the dough in the pan. Turn on minimum heat and leave it to cook for 30 minutes. Then turn the cake over and cook the other side for 10 minutes. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.